Hi friends, welcome to Exam Droid, your study partner. Today we will discuss the most important current affairs of 7th January. Which country plans to launch the world's first wood-based satellite by 2023? The correct answer is Japan. Japan will launch world's first wood-based satellite. A Japanese startup called Sumitomo Forestry has teamed up with this researcher of Kyoto University to work on the wooden satellite. The main aim of this project is to tackle the increasing threat of space debris. Some information about Japan. The capital is Tokyo. National language is Japanese. Currency is Japanese yen. And the Prime Minister is Yoshihide Suga. In which state of India a multimodal logistics park will be constructed? The correct answer is Assam. This multimodal logistics park will be constructed in Silchar, Assam. And it has been announced by the Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari. The capital of Assam is Dispur. The governor is Professor Jagdish Mukhi and the chief minister is Sarvananda Sonowal. Next question. Recently, India's Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Narvane received Guard of Honor from which country? The correct answer is Republic of Korea. Our Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narvane received the Guard of Honor from the Republic of Korea in their army headquarters as Gaeryong. Republic of Korea, also known as South Korea. The capital is Seoul and the president is Moon Jae-in. Which two-wheeler vehicle company became the world's most valuable two-wheeler company? The correct answer is Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto became the world's most valuable two-wheeler company, and it is the first company that has crossed the market capitalization of over 1 lakh crore. The CEO of Bajaj Auto is Rajiv Bajaj and it was founded by Jamnalal Bajaj and it is headquartered in Pune. Who is the world's richest person according to Bloomberg Billionaires Index 2021? The correct answer is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is the founder and CEO of Amazon and he is the world's richest person and his net worth is 190 billion USD. Elon Musk and Bill Gates are in second and third position respectively. And in India, the richest man is Mukesh Ambani. Currently, in world, he is in 12th spot. And for Asia, Zhong Shanshan, also known as Lone Wolf, is the Asia's richest person. Which country has deployed underwater drones, also called sea wing gliders, in the Indian Ocean? The correct answer is China. China has deployed this underwater vehicle. This is unmanned vehicle and it is deployed by the Chinese Academy of Science Institution of Oceanology. The president of China is Xi Jinping and capital of China is Beijing. India recently began its two-year tenure as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council (UNSC). Where is the headquarters of UNSC? The correct answer is New York. The headquarters of UNSC is in New York. On August 2021, India will serve as the president of this UNSC and it has 15 members and all the members get the role of president for 1 month each. And the main function of UNSC is to ensure international peace and security. It was founded in October 1945 and it has 15 members and out of which 5 of them are permanent members. US, UK, Russia, China and France are the permanent members. DCGI has approved the emergency use of Oxford coronavirus vaccine and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin in India. Who is the Drug Controller General of India? Who is the DGCI of India? The correct answer is Dr. Venugopal G. Somani. Dr. Venugopal G. Somani is the Drug Controller General of India. And the main function of DCGI is to give approval license for various drugs such as blood and blood products, IV fluids, vaccines, and sera in India. It is headquartered in New Delhi. If you look at the other option, Harshvardhan is the Union Minister of Health and Welfare. Dr. Randeep Guleria is the Director of AIMS, and Soma Mandal, she is the new Chairman of Steel Authority of India. Who is the author of the book Pioneer of Humanity? Maharshi Arvind. The correct answer is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is the Union Education Minister, and he has presented the first copy of his inspirational book to the President Ramnath Kovind. In this book, he tried to convey the philosophy and thinking of Sri Aurobindo in a very simple language to the younger generation of the country and the world. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? The correct answer is Sunit Sharma. Sunit Sharma is the new chairman and CEO of the Railway Board. And before Sunit Sharma, Binod Kumar Yadav was the CEO. He was the first CEO, and his tenure has ended on December 21, 2020. The Railway Board of India was founded in 1905. It is headquartered in New Delhi, and the Minister of Railway is Piyush Goyal. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Exam Droid, because when you subscribe to our channel, it motivates us to create more such videos. Thank you.